Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'll be going over the command data in JDA. Pretty much it consists of like subcommands, options and like choices, etc. But first of all, before we begin, we have to go on our build our Gradle and upgrade this to uh, version 11. I've just done some bug fixing, basically fix some bugs, and after you have updated that, after I've updated that, I'll be back. uh, so the grid I'll finish updating. So in this update I just changed one thing. So you want to go into your ping command which you made in the last episode, and remove this false, which was there to say it is not owner only. But now if you want to make it owner only, I'll just add a separate message which you just need to override. It's a boolean and you just need to return true if you want it to be owner only. It just makes life a bit more simple. So today we'll be creating a command. We'll just reply with, if that be command will just say uh, uh, hello, and then you just say, you can put like a choice of how are you or how are you doing, and just reply. So we'll just call this command hello command. Just a basic command. I just want to explore the command data. And once you've created the hello command, you want to extend command, extends command, as we did in last episode. You need to import that, yeah, first one, and then it's going to tell you to implement the methods. Just yes and press yes. Create the constructor. We don't need this. Get rid of all this. And for the name, it's just going to be hello. For the description, we'll reply is and it's just gonna be true to save time. Let's see. So first of all you want to do is go into the on slash command side, and you want to do, actually need to create the get command data first. So you want to do get command data dot well, we're gonna use add options because we want to add our choices. Later in the tutorial we'll be using add option, since we don't really, when using add options, it doesn't give you the option to use like choices and minimum max number. So in add choices, you add new option data, and in new option data it's just gonna be the name of the command. It's gonna be option type, which is basically what you want to be string, boolean, integer, but we just want to be a string, and the name of the option. It's best to create like its own variable. So private static final string. We're gonna call this hello option equals no, not hello option, reply option. I'm just gonna say here how are you? Reply. I might change this later on. So just for now, just say reply option, and what uh say the description of the choice. And the next thing, if you want it to be compulsory, like for so the user has to and basically write a value for this that they have to, then you write true. If you don't want to, if you want to make it like optional, then you write false. But since it's only one I'm just gonna make it true here. And then to add a choice, all you have to do is add choice here. And the first choice will instead of if you want to add loads of choices, then you just create a separate method for that. But since I'm only adding two choices, I'm just gonna add two add choices. I mean to add choice. So the first one will be so we're gonna create a value for that too. 535 string. This one's gonna be good. I'll just be good, and next one will be and this is gonna be bad. No, it's not really good vocabulary words. So it's gonna be saying good. No, I'm just gonna say here, good. This is what the choice gonna look like, and here we're just gonna write good. And then for the other choice, we're gonna have bad. With the value for the integer for the choices, it can't be in capital, but the name can't be in capitals, and it can't be any spaces in the value. This command is just actually I'm gonna change the command name. This is gonna be how are you, and then you just reply. So I'm just gonna change this to how are you command. Then just change the name of the file. No need drastic changes. And now we're gonna get into the part where you reply. So option mapping. No, actually one second. So we'll just do check slash command dot get option. Yeah, option mapping. So you want to get the option reply option, and you want to get a string, because since we've done it as a string. Oh, I've done the wrong ones. It's just get option without the s. Get a string, and get option is just the option mapping. So just option mapping, or just letters option mapping. I'm just gonna say reply option equals slash command event. Yeah. Actually, it's supposed to be string. My mistake. After that, we can use a switch if you want, but I'm just gonna use an if statement because it's only two values. So if reply option equals good, then open bracket slash command event dot reply. No, it's basically a nice reply. Enough. And you queue it. Else if reply option equals bad, then if it does equal bad, then you just write slash command event dot reply. I hope you get to, and just queue that. or you can do that, but just better to. I will just have one last else, which is business supplies. Invalid choice. So probably will never happen unless something goes wrong. But so basically, that's it for this option. And in terms of that, it will just we're gonna run the bot and I'll show you what it looks like. So just give it a minute. Actually, no, I've got to register the command. So change this from protected to public in order to register in the command handler. Just get rid of this unneeded import. Go to the command handler class. Under ping command, do handler dot add new how are you command and just simple. Yeah. So now once we run the bot, everything should run. But before we run the bot, I'm just gonna make some changes here. Instead of token, I'm just gonna go get token because you're retrieving the token. Just token doesn't sound nice. And get guild ID. It's basically better practice to do this. And then in your bot, you wanna go here, change it to bot config dot get token and get guild ID. Oh now this one now we're gonna run the bot. By the way, in the next episode, I might look at some moderation commands, or I might look further into the option data. But I'm still trying to figure out because this is a new series. But once we look at the moderation commands, it might get a little bit more complicated. But I'm gonna try and explain it as easier, like in a way where it's easy to understand. So now the bot should be up, as we can see. Yeah, the bot is up, so we just go to the command section and just type slash, should come up, yeah, slash how are you, and the reply section. Look, this is what the choices look like. If you don't want to use choices, you can just use an reply where you can input whatever you want to say, like I am feeling fantastic, etc., etc. But then that would be, you'd have to be more complicated because you'd have to like create loads of cases for that. For like these types of commands, but we're just keeping it simple for this part of this episode. So when you press good, the bot should reply with what you wrote in your if statement. Uh, so hello guys, I'm back. I managed to fix the problem. It was a problem with my library, so that's fixed. So all you need to do is just go to your build.gradle and upgrade my library JDA.basic to 1.0.14 and just run it, and it should be fixed. And once you run the command, this is what it looks like. Everything should run well. Yeah, there's also one thing you need to change with the update. Uh, Instead of long, just like the normal long, you're gonna have to write the one with the capital case long, and just change it to null for now. We'll change it to when we need it. We'll just set a parameter, a return for it. So all you need to do is run the bot now, and a command should work. So let's run the bot. Yeah, so the long, you don't need the variable long, you need the one with a couple of cases. And because in my library, I needed it to equal null. And now, if you run how are you and write good, everything should work. Uh, Instead of doing equals, just replace with object the equals, and then I'm just gonna restart the bot because they worked before, so I don't know what's going on. Put it on the pink one. Everything looks right. Just run the bot again. The bot is online, so it should work now. As you can see, the command works. It's just something was wrong with the statement. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Hope you understand how option data now works. And in the next tutorial, next episode, we'll be looking at the basics of moderation commands, which such as ban command and kick command, and we'll also be looking at option types. So I hope you have a great day. Great day. Peace.